Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So let's discuss about the market insights, how it is going to perform tomorrow and how it performed today. I'll be giving views on the Sensex and Nifty, and I'll be trying to cover one stock also today. So let's discuss on that one. So if you see that market, right, Nifty, so it is still in the same range, 24,857, and it is like not breaking 24,500. So almost I can say five consecutive or like 4 to 5 days the trading it is happening between this one. For example, if you see from last Thursday, right, 5th December to like till now, right? So till that's almost like 5 days. It is in the same range. So definitely I'm expecting like tomorrow if it happens, right? Definitely the first 50 minutes candle will decide the market whether it will be like up or down. So definitely I will see the rally is going to come. We would say it is a different because if you see it is at this range, 24,500. If it breaks, it will try to go on to 24,300. If that also breaks, it will go on to 24,145. So, for example, what if it is a gap up happen, right? So then definitely it will go on try to touch 24,856. That is the range because many times it touched this one. So if you see this range, right? So 24,000. 700 I can say, right? Many times it touched actually. So if you see in the 50 minutes candle, it touched one, two, three, four, almost five times. So definitely, whenever next breaks 24,700, it will try to touch 24,856. If that also breaks, 25,000 is the next target. Okay. So definitely tomorrow wait for the first 50 minutes candle and then plan your trade accordingly because it can go either ways, but rally will be good. So because almost 4 days, if the market is for the sellers, I don't see any big momentum for the buyers. So definitely market will give for the buyers an opportunity. I'm expecting that tomorrow, anyway it's a Friday, so Sensex also expecting. So plan it accordingly, all your trades. Okay, don't even though you don't trade, fine until unless you see the breakout, then only you try to trade or wait for the first 50 minutes candle. Okay. So you see the resistance will be 24,700 or 24,850 is the next resistance. First support will be 24,500 and the next one will be like 24,002 or 300. Okay. So that will be the support and resistance for the intraday. If you go to Sensex, Sensex also same scenario. If you see here, right, it is in this bound. Okay. So market is not going in between. So if you see it multiple times, it touches here is this okay 81,787. Okay, so if you see this is also again the same range between what 81,200 to 82,252. So tomorrow as it is an expiry also Sensex, so same thing, if it is market will open a gap down, definitely this will be the support if it touches 81,194 and then we see reversal in the next like in the 15 minutes can touch and come back, and then after that if we try to go higher and ice, if we try to touch 81,787, that was the first resistance, then after that will go on touch 82,265 or 250, that will be the next resistance. What if it is a fall sharp happen, right? 81,190 also it touch multiple times. You see one, two, three times. Today also try to touch. So if it breaks, definitely it will go on touch 80,500. So we can see almost like 500, 600 points rally. You can see. So because if you see there's a big bullish candle happened here. So definitely if we try to touch 80,500, I'm expecting the reversal here. Okay. So see how it is going to perform. Wait until you see the trend. Based on the trend, you can actually plan your trade accordingly. For Sensex, the first support will be 81,192, and then the next support will be 80,527. If that also break, it will go on to 17,700. That will be the upcoming if it is reversal. But what if it is like a going up, right? The first resistance will be 81,800, and the second resistance will be 82,256. Okay, that will be the support and resistance for the intraday. So I hope you guys have understood. So let's talk about one stock that is a trend. Okay, so trend, if you see, uh, this was the if I go to intraday daily candle. Okay, So this is coming from the almost from 20 200 EMA. It is touch the 50 EMA. Okay, that is usually I will see that whenever any stock is coming from 200 EMA and crossing 50 EMA, that is like a bullish candle. Okay, if you see the daily, okay, first I will go to monthly, because for the stock always you should go from the higher time. So monthly, if you see there is a bullish candle. Okay, and then if you go to weekly also you see there's a nice setup is happening, like higher rise it is forming. Okay, then if you go to daily also same thing. Okay, if it is actually breaking the higher rise actually. Okay, so if you see it never break the previous low, or I can say. Okay, so for example, if you see from here, right, so this was the first one, 6241. Then it went high, next the lower will be 6276. Then again it went, next low will be 6624. Then again it went, next low become the 6743. Then again it become the 6805. So now it is, this is the low 6977. So I'm expecting like tomorrow, like other trend in upcoming, right, it will be moving higher. So in the upcoming days definitely it will try to go on touch 826. First the immediate resistance what I can see, right, for the positional, right, see weekly I can see like it can touch actually. So 7237, that will be the first weekly resistance, and then if you try to touch 7432, that will be the gap. So if you go to intraday I will say this will be the first of 7408, because if you see whenever in the market is falling and we see any green candle, right, that will become a very good resistance, because some orders will be pending here. That's why. So 7425 will be the first resistance for the trend. If that also breaks, definitely it will go on touch 7829 and the all-time high it can be. So based on the sector support also, you should see always you should, if the sector is supporting it, for example, if you see today IT is was sector is supporting, so that's why all the IT sector, even though it was going low, right, everything was going like Coforge, Persistent, L&T, LT Mindtree, everything. So according, so if the sector is supporting definitely and it is very good zone, then it will be giving a good rally. Okay, so trend, and I already told you Bajaj Finance also that still remain the same. So if you see still, it's like if you see yesterday, it was like a very good bullish candle, right? I was actually recommended almost in 6,800 something like last week or this week starting, I think. So after that, it gave very good rally, and yesterday also it gave almost 200 points rally today. Because of the markets, it was not much good job period. That's the thing. So still, I'm expecting 7,314. That will be the first resistance. If that also break, it will definitely go and touch the all-time high. That is 7,762. Okay. So let me know if any stocks or anything you're looking for, any reviews or like any resistance support. I will try to cover in my upcoming videos. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day.